Good morning, class. Today, 28th of October 2020, as we had completed Glimpses of India Part 2 portion, that is Kurg. Okay, we had already discussed and explained that whole part. Now, today we are going to start Part 3, Tea from Assam. Before we are proceeding to that part, let us highlight what we have studied in the previous class. Highlights the main points about the Kurg. And we proceed to the new part. Kurg is the smallest district of Karnataka and it is a home of evergreen rain forest. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. Right? The people of Kurg are possibly of Greek or Arabic one. This is seen in their tradition, marriage, religious rites, and their dress called kupia. It resembles the kupia worn by the Arabic and the Quds people. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated regiments in the Indian Army. The Kodavas are the only people in India who are permitted to carry firearms without license. The river Kaveri begins from the hills and forest of Kurg. Kurg has a very rich variety of flora and fauna and a variety of birds, plants, animals can be seen there. Kurg offers a number of adventure sports, adventure trips for the tourist also. One can have that panoramic view of the entire landscape of Kurg. The Tibetan monks in red, ochre and yellow robes can be seen in there. Many other surprises were there to discover in a Kurg. So on the whole, we can say that Kurg is a very beautiful place. No doubt it is a tourist center and it attracts the visitors to see each and every site of that place. Now we proceed to the part 3, tea from Assam, right? Part 3. I think you have book with yourself, isn't it? So let's start tea from Assam, part 3. Okay, so before that, introduction is given. Pranjal, a youngster from Assam, is Rajveer's classmate at school in Delhi. So Pranjal and Rajveer, they both were the classmates and they were in Delhi. Pranjal's father is a manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam area. Pranjal's father is a manager in tea garden and Pranjal has invited his friend Rajveer. Pranjal has invited Rajveer to visit his home during the summer vacation. Okay, we have an overview of the tea garden, right? So let us see what happened here. Now I request Devraj Jat to read the story. Tea from Assam. Devraj Jat.
Pranjal, a youngster from Assam, is Rajveer's classmate at school in Delhi. Pranjal's father is the manager of a tea garden in Upper Assam, and Pranjal has invited Rajveer to visit his home during the summer vacation. Chai garam, garam chai, a vendor called out in a high-pitched voice. He came up to their window and asked, Chai Sahab, give us 2 cups, Pranjal said. They sipped the steaming hot liquid. Almost everyone in their compartment was drinking tea too. Do you know that over 80 crore cups of a tea are drunk every day throughout the world, Rajveer said. View, exclaimed Pranjal, tea really is a very popular. The
Thank you
train
so
pulled
much.
out
Thank you
of
so
the
much,
station.
Devraja. That's enough. So both this person means Pranjal and here Pranjal instead of J in that area they are writing JOL. Okay, their way of pronunciation is different from us, so that is why it is Pranjal. There they are saying that Pranjal, not Pranjal, as we are saying here Pranjal, but they are saying in their tone Pranjal. Okay. So Pranjal and Rajveer, they both were the classmate, and Pranjal's father, as it is written that he was the manager of tea garden in the upper Assam. So both of them, Pranjal has invited Rajveer to his home during the summer vacation. So both of them, Pranjal and Rajveer, they went to their at that in their house. So in their journey, a vendor, tea vendor has come. चाय बेचने वाला आया स्टेशन पे and he asked about he called a high pitched voice. You might have seen that कि आपने देखा होगा रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म में कि चाय बेचने वाले या कुछ भी वेजिटेबल वेंडर हो या टी वेंडर हो या एनीथिंग फूड आइटम स्टॉल वेंडर हो वो कितना तेज हाई पिच्ड वॉइस में कस्टमर को बुलाते हैं अट्रैक्ट करते हैं कि सो दैट वी कैन हैव ए परचेज ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट. So the tea vendor has also called in a very high pitched voice. वो भी जोर से बुलाता है चाय गरम गरम चाय like that. He came up to the window and asked और उन्हीं की विंडो की साइड में आया और उसने पूछा चाय साहब. Pranjal replied that give her 2 cups. Okay, 2 cups उन्हें दे दो. Then they sipped the steaming hot liquids. Almost everyone in their compartment was drinking tea too. So almost Pranjal said that in their compartment, everyone has took that tea. सबने वो टी ली, चाय ली और चाय से hot liquid sip करके पिया. Do you know that over 80 crore cups of tea are drunk every day throughout the world? Rajveer said. Rajveer का कहना है कि हमारे इंडिया में 80 crore population used to take tea every day. Every day it is the matter. इंडिया का बहुत मोस्ट पॉपुलर ड्रिंक है, बहुत ज्यादा प्रिफर करते हैं यहाँ पे लोग टी को. तो उनका ये कहना है, वो डिस्कस कर रहे हैं एक दूसरे को, दोनों फ्रेंड्स डिस्कस करते हैं कि किस तरह से टी इज द मोस्ट पॉपुलर ड्रिंक ओके इन आवर कंट्री and about 80 crore people prefer this rather than they prefer coffee or milk. Pranjal said tea really is very popular. Pranjal is also agree with this with the statement of Rajveer. Rajveer के statement से Pranjal भी agree करती है कि yes in India in our country we mostly prefer tea in comparison to coffee or milk or any other soft drinks. Right. Now let's continue with the next paragraph. The train pulled out of the station. Pranjal buried his nose in his detective book again. Rajveer too was an ardent fan of detective stories, but at the moment he was keener on looking at the beautiful scenery. So as the train moved out from the station, Pranjal was looked down. Yeah, buried his nose was looked down to the detective book. It means that Pranjal was interested to read detective type of stories. ना इसका मतलब यही हो रहा है कि वो बहुत इंटरेस्टेड है कि उसे डिटेक्टिव टाइप की स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी लगती है. Rajveer is also very much fan of detective stories, but at that moment he was very much keener on looking the beautiful scenery from the window of the train. Okay, मतलब उस समय वो ट्रेन की विंडो से वो ब्यूटीफुल सीनरी देखना चाहता था इंस्टेड ऑफ रीडिंग एनी डिटेक्टिव टाइप ऑफ स्टोरी. कोई स्टोरी पढ़ने से ज्यादा उसे कोई ब्यूटीफुल सीनरी जो आसपास दिख रही थी उसे वो उसको ऑब्जर्व करने में ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड था. It was green everywhere. Rajveer had never seen so much greenery before. Then the soft green paddy fields gave way to tea bushes. Then what he saw all over greenery is there, full of greenery. It was a beautiful scene that he ever seen before. इतना प्यारा सुंदर दृश्य था कि उसने अपने जीवन में कभी पहले नहीं देखा था, उसके लिए फर्स्ट टाइम था। और उससे ब्यूटीफुल बात थी कि सॉफ्ट ग्रीन पैडी फील्ड्स में, पैडी फील्ड्स के बीच में द टी बुशेस मेड अ वे, टी की बुशेस, टी की झाड़ियां जैसे बुशेस टाइप में वो रास्ता बना दिया। इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल सीन, पैडी फील्ड के बीच में टी बुशेस है। ओके, सो जस्ट इमेजिन स्टूडेंट्स कि हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल, जब राजवीर ने ये साइड देखा होगा, सो हाउ डज इट फील, उसे कैसा लगा होगा, है ना, कि पैडी फील्ड्स है, येलोइश टाइप के पैडी फील्ड्स दिख रहे हैं, उस बीच में ग्रीनरी, एक वे, टी बुशेस रास्ता बनाते हुए जा रहे हैं, लाइक दैट। सो certain things is there in his mind also, he just imagine, and for him it is very very beautiful, इसके लिए बहुत नया लुक था, नया चीज देखने को मिल रहा था, and he want to enjoy that moment. It was a magnificent view against the backdrop of densely wooded hill. A sea of tea bushes stretched as far as the eye could see. Sea of tea bushes here, students. Sea of, as we are looking to see, we couldn't see as far as, हमें जब हम समुद्र देखते हैं तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि सिर्फ पानी ही पानी है, जहां तक हमारी नजर जाती है सिर्फ हमें पानी दिखता है, राइट। सेम थिंग इज देयर, यहाँ पे भी टी बुशेस, जहां तक नजर जा रही है चारों तरफ से टी बुशेस दिख रही है। You don't see any different type of animals or forest or any different types of plants, nothing different. Only you could see tea bushes. जहां तक उसकी नजर जा रही है, you could see easily see that tea bushes is there. Okay, so sea of tea bushes stretch out as far as the eye could see. Dwarfing the tiny tea plants were tall, sturdy, shady trees. Amidst the orderly rows of bushes, busily moved doll-like figures. In the distance was an ugly building with smoke billowing out of tall chimneys. So here, students, he could evenly see the tiny tea plants. So tea planting or tea bushes he could able to see. And in the midst of there, he could able to see doll-like figures. It is टी बुशेस जो होते हैं वो ऐसे इस टाइप का अम्ब्रेला टाइप का बेस होता है, बिल्कुल झाड़ियों की तरह से लगता है, वो ऐसा लगता है शेप बना रहे हैं, किसी चीज का शेप बना रहे हैं, क्योंकि वो लोग कटिंग ऐसा करते हैं, उसके शेप देते हैं बहुत अच्छे से, जैसे हम लोग अपने गार्डन की एक स्प्लिट शेप देते हैं, लाइक दैट दे आल्सो गिविंग टू दैम, कि उन्हें बर्ड्स कटिंग करनी पड़ती है, टी प्लांटेशन की लीव्स को कट करना पड़ता है फॉर देयर प्रॉपर ग्रोथ के लिए वो कटिंग करते हैं उसके बर्ड्स को, ताकि पत्तियां और अच्छी आए, ठीक है ना। इस तरह से लग रहा था कि डॉल लाइक फिगर, दिस हियर इज सेट looks like doll like figure, and in between that what he could see that in the distance a building is there, ugly look building, है ना, बहुत बड़ी सी बिल्डिंग, we can say that, and with smoke billowing out of tall chimneys, smoke is coming out from that building, chimneys is there, that is why smoke is coming out. Okay, the smoke उसमें से आ रहा है। Hey, a tea garden, Rajveer cried excitedly. Rajveer का देखो tea garden, excitedly shows. Ranjan, who had gone there, brought up on a plantation, didn't share Rajveer's excitement. Ranjan के लिए तो this is a very common thing, because it was his birthplace, वो उसके लिए birthplace, तो जहाँ birth होता है तो that is the person is familiar with that. So for them it is not such an exciting moment. Okay. For example, let us take हम अपना example लेते हैं कि we are from Rajasthan, right? Isn't? So we are familiar with the sand dunes, sandy area like that. Everything is there. We are familiar to watch camels here and there like that. It is not exciting moment for us. If someone come from the South India and they will watch all these things, for them it's exciting. अगर हमें भी इसी तरह से किसी ग्रीनरी पार्ट में भेज दिया जाएगा या साइड्स में, तो हमारे लिए बहुत एक्साइटेड सीन रहता है, बहुत एक्साइटेड लगता है, बिकॉज हम लोग वो सीन बहुत रेयरली देख पाते हैं, जहाँ जिस प्लेस से हम बिलोंग करते हैं उस प्लेस में वो चीज नहीं होती है। उसी तरह से फॉर प्रांजल सेम थिंग, प्रांजल के लिए एक्साइटिंग मोमेंट नहीं था, बिकॉज इट्स दैट प्लेस, उसका बर्थ प्लेस था, बहुत बार देखा होगा, so it is unfamiliar to you. Okay, so Rajveer, for Rajveer this is the very excitement moment, ये उसके लिए बहुत exciting moment था, and he want to enjoy that. उसे उस moment को enjoy करना चाहिए. Whenever we get such type of opportunity in our life, we should have to enjoy that moment. जब भी हमारे जीवन में एक छोटी छोटी खुशी की बात आती है, मोमेंट्स आते हैं, हमें उस मोमेंट्स को एंजॉय करना चाहिए. समझ में आया? उसका फुल्ली प्लेजर लेना चाहिए लाइफ, फुल्ली. ऐसा नहीं कि हाँ ठीक है चलो लेट्स इट. नो नो नॉट एट ऑल, नॉट लाइक दैट. क्योंकि आपको नहीं पता आपकी लाइफ कब तक है. सो वॉट एवर हैव इन योर लाइफ, जो भी चीज आपके पास है लाइफ में, you spend it and enjoy it with full. So here in our case, in our story, we can say that the Pranjal who had born there, brought up a plantation, didn't share Rajveer's excitement. Oh, this is a tea country now, he said. Assam has the largest concentration of plantation in the world. You will see enough gardens to last you a lifetime. Okay, you will see when you enter in the Assam, you will see the lifetime tea garden. Such a huge tea garden is there. You can't imagine it. Wherever we will look, we will saw that tea garden. जहाँ भी हम देखते होंगे वहाँ जाते ही ये नजर आ रहा है टी गार्डन. हमारी नजर जहाँ तक पहुंचे वहां से भी बढ़कर टी गार्डन नजर. ठीक है. So today students we have seen that tea from Assam, some of its paragraphs we have completed. Okay, so just read the chapter. If you have any doubt you can ask me. आपको कुछ doubt है you can ask me about it. Anyone have? I'm observing that again you have just close your video. As I started my teaching, you just start your work. I'm observing it. And daily, every day I have to give the instruction that don't do this, don't do that. What is the use of it? This is a live class. You should have to open your video and mute that audio version. That's it. जैसे क्लास में बैठते हैं वैसे ही हम लोग आपके सामने हैं. We try our best. You should have to try your best. Any doubt? Any doubt from your side related to tea from Assam? Anyone have any doubt? This tea from Assam, the author of this one is Arup Kumar Datta, right? Arup Kumar Datta. Any doubt? No. Sure. So let's test your knowledge. Okay. What have, my question is to Pranjal Jain. Pranjal Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes, ma'am.
have the tea plantation been compared to? What have the tea plantations have been compared to? किससे कंपेयर किया गया था? What have the tea plantations been compared to?
Tea plantation is compared to the sea.
Very good. Thank you so much. Now my next question is, why was Rajveer excited? Lakshit Kalawat. Why was Rajveer excited? Lakshit Kalawat. Have you listened, Lakshit? Lakshit, are you there in the class? I can see you. Open your audio and video, both the version. Lakshit. Okay, fine. Nandini Sharma, please give the answer. Why was Rajveer excited?
Yes, ma'am. Because he first time see the tea plants. Because
First time he was very much excited to see the tea plantation. Okay. So this is our end of the meeting. I hope whatever we have discussed, it must clear to you, all of you. All of you? Is it clear to you? Yes or no? Okay, this is the end of our meeting.